Hi guys, this is the M4 A1 Carbine. I wouldn't recommend dropping this because this actually got shut in the car door because some guy got pissed off with the gun, which was some other guy. We don't know where he is now. One of our friends, Dudley. It's got here semi, auto and safe. You can see, I'm going to start off with semi from just over here. Cameraman, get it on the fixed position. Let me do it on this one. Back a bit, look, not there. Not on that thing, that's why I put it there.
Yeah, but then you can't see the impact.
Let me try. Sorry.
No, then you can't see the impact, this shit.
I suggest you put it where I tell you.
Dave.
Hello?
Okay, here we go. Dave, give me the info. Dave, not on me.
This is the accuracy test for the M4 Carbine.
On semi.
Semi-automatic. Fully automatic. The damage.
Yeah, so the damage. Quite bad. So there you have it.